Former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian, and honorable members of the Senate, House Speaker Faustino D. III, and honorable members of the House of Representatives, Chief Justice Alexander Gesmundo, and honorable justices of the Supreme Court, His Excellency, the Most Reverend Charles John Brown, and esteemed members of the Diplomatic Corps, Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, and honorable members of the Cabinet, First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Mga kababayan ko, naririto ako muli upang tuparin ang ating katungkulan at magbigay ng ulat sa inyo tungkol sa estado ng ating bansa at sa mga ginagawa ng